what you are seeing in your screen is the 1071, 1072 apparatus. It is connected to a simple household outlet using number 18 wire and a 20 ampere circuit breaker. Mr. Far Out from the Far East will show us how this apparatus works. He is now about to fire to light up a piece of paper, and by means of a medicine dropper, he drops water to put out the fire. The same water is dropped into the nozzle, and he is now putting on the switch, and you can see a blaze fire. He is now putting out the fire by means of the same water, and now he is again dropping some water into the nozzle and lights the paper again. Okay. What he will do next is drop some water into the nozzle, change the setting of the machine, and switching on it again. You heard a blast, a strong blast. Another drop of water, switching on again, and another blast. Those are the two main capabilities of the 1071, 1072 apparatus. This will benefit the whole of mankind with these few applications that we have thought of. We have new water-fed engine, we have new water-fed cooking stove, and we will have water-fed power plants. If you are willing, or if you have doubts about the capabilities of this machine, we are prepared to present it and demonstrate it to you in person.